What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is LB. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this effect.
Made up my mind, trigger happy, don't stop. Reckless a fool, it's gonna sound like a pop. Small town city.
Before we jump on, first let me know you have been. Make, subscribe, like, share, and comment, blah 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 blah. etc. It's time. Alright guys, so here I'm in software. First I'm going to create a new composition. So now I just click here and then let me call this composition 3D text effect. Okay, so now you have to check these width and heights. It is full HD. So now this frame rate is 25. Background color is black. So now for this 3D render you have to choose this Cinema 4D. Okay, so now click OK, and then I'm going to import my clip. Double click here and then let me import this one. So when I drag here on this timeline, okay, already you see my clip is fitting well with my composition. When your video is very bigger or smaller than composition, just you have to click S on your keyboard, and then if it is big you have to reduce it, if it is smaller you have to increase, just like this. Okay, so my video is fitting well with my composition layer, and then right click here on this video layer and then click here on pre-compose. Then you have to choose to move all attributes into the new composition. You have to choose it here and then click OK. So guys, I'm going to track my clip. Go here on effect and then search effect called 3D track camera. It's 3D camera tracker. Okay, this one. Okay guys, already just you can go here on window and then you click here on track. Okay, already you will get here track camera. So now I'm going to track my camera on this frame. So now let me click on it. So you have to wait a little bit. It's analyzing in the background. Okay, just you have to wait a few minutes. Is making in initializing, so you have to wait those frames. Okay guys, for here you must have a strong PC, okay, which will helps you to render fast your project. Alright guys, after tracking my camera, already you see in my frame I have received some track point. Okay, so for this tracker point, just if for you if it is small, just you can click here on tracker point size for increase or decrease. So now first here I'm going to find the point which I'm going to use for tracking my my text. Okay, so let me use this one. Okay, so now I'm going to right click on it and then click here solid and camera. Okay, already guys, here you see I have some image which I will save it. Okay, I think you see it well, this one. So now after receiving this square on this frame, so now let me type the text here on my video. Just let me type USA. Okay, yeah, this is cool. So let me put it here in the center, and then you have to move this anchor point in the center of this text. For put it in the center you have to click Control on your keyboard. You already see this tracker point is in the center of my text. Okay, this is great. So now after this you have to enable this 3D dimension on this text layer. I have to enable the 3D dimension. So, and after this, I'm going to combine this text layer with this track solid one. This track solid one, guys, is this point which we have been tracked with that point. Okay, so now I'm going to combine this text layer with this track solid one. So you have to hold the shift on your keyboard, and then I have to move or just connect with this track solid one. This is great, guys. So now after this, come back here on this text layer, and then I'm going to resize it well. Okay, let me put it, use this position, let me put it here on the center. Okay, so when I try to play, already, guys, you see this text is going with my camera moving. Okay, so let me put this S here on the top, because I just want this camera to pass through into this S. Okay, so when I'm still going just like this, okay, let me just move up again, move down just like this. Okay, let me put it on one side. Okay, just like this. Okay, this is cool, guys. Okay, so and for this text, guys, you see on this my text, it is in 2D dimension. So now first I'm going to put it into 3D dimension, guys. Already, guys, so now I'm going to hide this track solid. We do not need it anymore. Okay, so let me hide just like this, but don't delete it, just you have to hide it just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to put my text into 3D. So now let me open up this text and then open this geometric option. So now come here on this extrusion depth. So now let me increase, let me put it like on 70. Yeah, this is cool. So now after this, I'm going to create a light. Okay, I'm going to create a light. So let me cross this text, light, click here, and then click here on new, then click here to create a light. Okay, so for the light type which I want, I have to choose a point. Okay, so now let me click OK. Already, guys, you see how my text is. The shadow is black, the white is on here on the front of my text. So now let me move my text point here in the middle. Let me put it up just like this. Okay, so when you close this light, you see what is happening. Okay, so this light is very important. So now when I'm trying to play this is how my effect it will be. So guys, this is how you can make this 3D text. Guys, that is it. So let me know this video is very helpful to you, and you can share to other friends. Share your friends, guys. Okay, so thanks for watching, and let's meet on next video, and stay creative. Peace.